Hello students, today we are going to see the plant kingdom and we will start it today's class, okay? And okay, as we have seen in animal kingdom, the plant kingdom also classified into 5 different groups, okay? So first is algae, second is bryophytes, pteridophytes, and then angiosperms and gymnosperms. Okay, so first plant kingdom is of five groups. Okay, plant kingdom is of 5 groups, as I told you already. What are the 5 groups? First one is algae. Second one is, as they are arranged in the order of their developmental characteristics, pteridophytes, and then gymnosperms, angiosperms. These are the 5 groups of plants kingdom. So I will put separate videos for one group. Okay, don't miss any of these groups, children, because I have covered the NCERT whole information and some other extra informations also. Okay, what are the 5 groups of plant kingdom? Algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Okay, so today we will start with the algae. So what we are going to see today is algae, the most underdeveloped group of plant kingdom. Okay, clear? Shall we start? Yeah. So we are going to start with algae. The algae are mostly marine. Marine means they are free floating or stuck to the seabed, or they are mostly in moisture conditions only found. Algae. Okay, if you research in the algae, there are many types of algae. Okay, their residence, their food habits, means the preparation of food habits all differ. Okay, thalloid means root like, shoot like, we will say, no, not true roots, not true roots, stems, leaves. Okay, clear? Autotrophic, lichen. Autotrophic means the plant kingdom, as usually you know, they prepare their own food. So autotrophic. Lichen. Lichen is an example of algae and fungi symbiotic association. On animals, if you find lichen, it is example of sloth bear. Sloth bear has a growth of lichen on their body surface. Next, it is examples of types of their association, how they are associated with the other kind, their own kind of organisms. Colonial, if you see, they will be in a colony like. Okay, it's volvox. Example is volvox. Shall I show you the picture nearby this? Wait, I will show you the picture. Next, filamentous is Ulothrix spirogyra. Okay, and then massive plant bodies of algae is kelps. Means they will be in a large number only. Okay, that's what massive plant bodies of algae. Okay, let's show you the picture now. This is the picture of the old box. I told you, the colony like they will be arranged. And next is spirogyra filamentous, like this they will be presented. Okay, next is reproduction characteristics. Reproduction, the first type is vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is fragmentation is seen with the algae, means the cut parts grow into the new organisms. Okay, next is asexual reproduction. You can see all types of reproduction over here. Okay, zoospores germination gives new plant. The force the spores germinate to give new plant. Okay, next is the spores are flagellated. Zoospores are flagellated, keep that in your mind. Next is sexual reproduction, fusion of gametes, and the fusion of gametes is of three types. Let me show you that. It's isogamous, isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous. Isogamous is flagellated, um, same size, Lothrix example, and non-flagellated, same size, Spirogyra. What is isogamous? First of all, same body function, same structure. Okay, all are same. Everything are similar. Next is non-flagellated or flagellated, means both are flagellated, both are same size, both are non-flagellated, both are same size. So flagellated, both are flagellated, example Ulothrix, both are non-flagellated, example is Pyrogyra. Next is anisogamous. Anisogamous is of different size but same function. Both are flagellated or both are non-flagellated, but they vary in size. If male in this size, female will be in this size. Okay, and but both are with same function, same function, same function. Keep that in your mind. Example is Eudorina. Next is oogamous. Oogamous is everything is different. Their function is different. Their structure is different. So large non-motile female. Okay, large non-motile female and small motile male. Example Volvox and Fucus. Okay, it's a common example and common question also. Next is next some important points about algae. It is Laminaria, Sargassum, Porphyra are some examples of food giving algae. Okay, means a raw source of food for mammals. Okay, next is red and brown algae provide hydrocolloids. What are hydrocolloids? Water holding substances. Okay, next is algae is given by brown algae, carrageen is given by red algae. Most important question. Most of the time they will be confusing, like they will be asking match question or choose the correct answer question. So algae, brown algae, carrageen, red algae. Next is agar from Gracilaria geladium grow microbes. Okay, they are helped to grow microbes. Next, chlorella, unicellular protein, chlorella and spirulina or unicellular protein. Okay, next is Fucus laminaria is iodine rich. This should be noted. Okay, these are some important points about algae. Introductory part is completed about algae. Okay, introductory part is completed about algae. Let's move on to the types of algae. These are the three types of algae: Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Okay, first we will start with the Chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae, Chlorophyceae is green algae. That's why I have written in green pen. Green algae, they have chlorophyll A and B in definite amounts. Okay, in definite amounts. Next is storage bodies or pyrenoids. Pyrenoids are, what are pyrenoids? Starch and proteins in form of oil droplets. How is pyrenoids stored? In form of oil droplets. Next is cell wall is covered by pectose. Cell wall is covered by pectose, and inner to the cell wall you have cellulose. Okay, pectose is outer layer, cellulose in the inner layer of cell wall. This point should be noted because they may ask in match or choose the correct answer. Next is reproduction. All the three types are seen. Fragmentation, asexual, sexual. Okay, sexual, all the three types are seen. Anisogamous, oogamous, isogamous. So examples are very, very, very important, and note this down. Glothrix, Olvox, Pyrogyra, um, Chlamydomonas, Caram. So these are the 5 important examples of chlorophagia. So for in the point of examples, be clear with your NCRT, not any other examples. So these 5 important examples are very much should be noted. Next is Phaeophyceae. It's brown algae. Phaeophyceae is also known as brown algae. They are rich in chlorophyll. Brown algae. See here, remember this. Brown algae. Next is they are rich in chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C and carotenoids, xanthophylls and phycoxanthin. These are the pigments found in Phaeophyceae. What is found in chlorophyceae? It's chlorophyll B except A, and it's chlorophyll C. Okay. Next is simple branched filamentous is their main body characteristic. Next is they are ectocarpus, and then profusely branched. Nearly, that's why I told you massive algae plant body is scalps. They are nearly 100-meter long. Okay. Next is storage bodies. Storage bodies, you have laminarian or mannitol. Laminarian is also called as mannitol. Okay, so mannitol are complex carbs. Next is cellulose, the arrangement of the cellulose level. Next is the cellulose is covered by gelatinous coating. Okay, algin, gelatinous coating, that is algin, and this is photosynthetic. And then inside you have plastids. So this is the common structure of algae, the brown algae. They have holdfast, stipe and frond. They act as holdfast, act as root, stipe act as stem, frond act as leaf. Next, reproduction aspect, fragmentation. Fragmentation you know already from the lower class you are reading. Repeated concept. Next is pear shaped lateral flagella, like this you have. This is what pear shaped of the zoospores, and they show sexual mode of reproduction, pyriform gametes, motile gametes. Okay, next is rhodophyceae. Before that you will see the examples. Dictyota, ectocarpus, all you have 5 examples. Okay, Dictyota, ectocarpus, fucus, laminaria, sargassum. Shall I show you the pictures? Wait. So this is what laminaria and fucus and dictyota. Okay, clear? So examples of brown algae. Brown algae. What is brown algae also known as Phaeophyceae. Next we will move on to red algae. Red algae is also known as Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae, and then red algae, the pigment is R-phycoerythrin. Next is mainly in warmer areas. They are found mainly in warmer areas, close to surface, also bottom of the water. Okay. Next is storage bodies are Floridian starch. Storage bodies should be noted with respect to the algae. It should be clear concept. Similar to amylopectin glycogen. Okay. Next is fragmentation, non-motile spores. In case of vegetative reproduction, fragmentation. In case of asexual reproduction, In case of asexual reproduction, non-monotypic spores or non-monotypic gametes. Okay, in case of sexual, oogames only. So this should be noted. Okay, oogames only. Next, what are the cellular arrangement is agar. Here it is algin. With the cellulose you have found the association of algane, but here you found the association of agar. Next, you have Gracilleria, Gelidium, Porphyra, Polysyphonia are the examples over here. Let me show you some of these pictures of NCRT. So this is what the red algae, Porphyra, Polysyphonia. So this is what the algae informations you should know in the named aspect. In the next video we will see with the bryophytes and pteridophytes and gymnosperms and angiosperms, and we'll complete the plant kingdom. Okay children, if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section, and subscribe our channel for more videos with lot of information.